What's up, world? It's Bernard Buie, VIP there now. Listen, the summertime is coming up, and I want you guys to learn how to get into these different types of industries. Over the last 3 years, you've seen me expand the fleet in different cities all throughout the United States, and now this is the opportunity for you. So I'm about to give y'all 3 really quick tools, tips, and tricks that you need in order to get into this sprinter business. Step number 1 is your business financing. A lot of people just think that it's personal credit. A lot of people think that it's just business credit. No, it's actually both. Your personal credit got to be right, and your business credit got to be right. That's step number 1. Step number 2 is knowing how you want your vehicle to be financed when you do it from the beginning. Because a lot of people just buy a Sprinter van and then they go and spend extra money doing the financing to get it retrofitted outside of the financing. No, you can actually bundle those things all into one. So therefore the loan, the note, everything all is rolled into one. That's step number 2. Step number 3 is already start lining up contracts. So therefore, once you get your vehicles, you can already start making money. There's no point in buying something and then you're trying to figure out the business of how to make money right after. So start going to the airport, start going to nightclubs, start going to corporate companies and showing the spot, showing your box truck or showing your Sprinter van and all the other assets that you have, and tell them this is what you have, this is what you're trying to do, and how can you work with them. Those are my really quick 3 tools, tips, and tricks in order to get into this business. Stay tuned for more. See y'all later.